Okay, for our team, it's very important to have a strong defense. We have many young players, and it's tough to play too much with the ball. So we let Finland have the most of the ball, and we have a strong defense and take the counter attack.
Sama kysymys englanniksi. Englanniksi. Well, in our team, we have been losing the last 2 games before this, and our plan was, of course, to win the game. Okay, we got 1 point, but also it was to fight. Finnkampen was the overall idea that we have to fight till the end, and also we tried to defend good, and I think we succeeded in that. Just couldn't make enough scores, and I think in the first period we just couldn't. I think we were a little bit nervous. Didn't really get the ball into Sweden's zone, and not very many chances in there. But the second period a little bit better, and there seemed to be the fight then, but didn't do it the way we wanted to.
This year is also very important. About 8 months ahead, there will be World Championships here in Finland this time. Both teams, you are heading for that, and both wants to win the title. What was the meaning of this game if we think about the upcoming World Championships?
For our team, it's everything we do is to build something in the future to the World Championship here in Finland. We know that it's going to be very difficult to beat them at their own arena. It's a very tough match, and it's also Czech Republic and Switzerland who's a good team. So we have to prepare everything in the coming 10 months. To the World Championship. So everything we do is be the best that day.
And one further question: you've been dominating floorball over 10 years, and now you are challenging. How do you see this situation?
I think it's good for the sport that as many teams in the world can win the World Championship. It's good for the sport, but of course we want to win the title. But as I said, it would be very, very difficult. But we will do our best to do it.
Okay, and Petteri, same question for you. What's the meaning of this game for the coming World Championships?
In the overall picture, it's a very important game to see where we actually stand at the moment, and I think we got some questions answered and a few more questions to deal with later on, but good start for the year in a sense, and same as with the Sweden, everything that we do in all these games and practices aims to defend the title, or actually go and win it. It's more like that.
How do you see the situation defending title on home ground?
Well, I think it's a great opportunity to make a change, in Finnish floorball history and in the game in itself, especially on the home ground. And it's going to be a tough job. We'll try to do our best to accomplish it.
Yeah, that's for sure. And then Rasmus, you were awarded as the best player of this game. How did you feel? How about your performance? What do you think about your play?
I think it's a good game for my team and me. It's my first game in Sweden, A team, and it was a good start.
Couldn't be better. Ja sitten Juho kertoilee suomeksi, niin aika oot tuossa maalin edessä ja saat kovia iskuja ja hittejä. minkälaista on olla siinä Ruotsin tasoista joukkuetta vastaan?
No ei tää nyt vähän erilainen kuin liigatason mittelöitä. Ruotsia vastaan aina vähän erilaista siinä maalin edessä, että kyllä tuolla liigassakin sieltä tulee keppiä, mutta täällä tulee tietysti enemmän. Mukava peli, kansainvälinen kiva vääntö.
Teidän kentällänne peli näytti sujuvan aika hyvin. Mitä itse olet mieltä? Minkälaisia suunnitelmia teillä ennen peliä oli ja miten itse näet, että onnistutte tänään koko kenttänä?
No joo, ihan ok peli meiltä. Että mun mielestä pallo liikkuu, ainakin välillä liikkuu tosi hyvin ja ehkä otat vielä päästä muutama maali pitänyt tehdä, että päästä vähän tonteille vieläkin paremmin, mutta taidettiin plussalle ja niin hyvä.
Vielä semmoinen, että minkälaista kutinaa sinussa sitten tulevat MM-kisat aiheuttavat tässä vaiheessa?
No, kotikisat, mitä sinne nyt voi sitten ajatella siitä.
Selvä homma. Thank you for both teams and good luck.